Hi guys, this is Ambi here. So let's go to this PowerShell session. I would say, is it introduction 0? Yeah, in a way, yes. I think it is, yep. So without further ado, just right click on your PowerShell here. If you have an icon, hit start and type ISE and run ISE as administrator. I always like to run things as administrator because in Windows, even many of the stuff which should be available by default for a regular user, it takes administrative rights and it will, for some weird reason, say that okay, you're not allowed to do that or do this. So the first thing that you want to do is, if you are in an enterprise environment or your operating system is enterprise grade, that is Windows 10 Enterprise or Professional, or you're working in an office or something, first thing that you want to do is you want to set execution policies, right? So as you can see, it's autocomplete, so that's kind of pretty neat. So let me do this one more time. Set hyphen execution policy space minus execution policy space. So depending on your environment, I usually choose remote sign, means everything runs even without any signature, so basically it makes all the scripts run, all PS1 scripts run. Right, so hit F5 here and it says yes to all. Okay, I say yes to all. So from now on, you can run .ps1 scripts. Sometimes what happens is, if you have a PowerShell script, in spite of this, you may not be able to run it. That is because you have to right click on the .ps1 and click on unblock or unlock. And if you run this, run this command without launching your PowerShell as an administrator, then it will not work on your next session. So close all your PowerShell sessions. Your PS1 scripts are all the PowerShell stuff that is there. Launch the PowerShell or PowerShell ISE as an administrator, run as administrator, and run this command to make sure everything runs. So in this session, we're going to take a look at how to write stuff on screen. That is very easy. Okay, so let's say you don't know how to run stuff, right? So I think what I will do is here. So we want to write something to the screen, write to the host. Let's see what all we have. Write host, write information, write output. Oh, write host looks promising. So let's say write host hello world F5. Awesome. Alright, I can just type it here. Write host hello world, enter. So let's see what all the ways we can do this. Write host hello world. So without quotation 2 it works, will it? Yes, it does, because then let's say write host double quotes. Will it work? Yes, it should. Right, now let's say write hello world. What happens? F5. Oh, oops, typo. Okay, so if you just say write, what happens is it writes each word in a new line. So right, so that's what it is. Even if you put it in double or single quotes, doesn't matter. Oh, sorry, if you put it in double quotes, it will take it as one single string and write. Let's see what happens if I put it in single quotes. So 5.1 behavior. So you don't have to write write host or something. So let's see, we want to make it a bit flashy. What I've done is, when you open your PowerShell ISE, the background will be different. Don't worry about it. You can go here in options, change all the colors however you want, but this is how I have kept it. Let's say you want to make it a little bit flashy, right? Oops. Write host hey Ambi, right? I would say background color is cyan and foreground color is, let's say, blue, and I will press F5. Hey Ambi, right? This is, so let's see what happens if I just use write. Nothing happens. So as you can see, there's a difference between write and write host. So most of the times I just use write host. I'm not lazy to just hit one tab. When you just type write minus and h, there you go. No, you get that stuff. So this is how you write stuff to the console. So in the next session we will look at something a little bit more. Till then, have a great day and take care.